Good day everyone, this is Shermar TV and for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo mag-multiply ng monomials by polynomials. So simulan na natin. Okay, so bago natin pag-aralan yung multiplication of monomials by polynomials, siguraduhin ninyo na na-master ninyo kung paano tayo mag-multiply ng monomials sa kapwa monomials. Okay? So, doon mo i-apply yung law of exponents. So, kung matatandaan natin, sa pag-multiply ng monomials, i-add po natin yung exponent ng magkakaparehong base. Okay? So, ganun po ang proseso sa pag-multiply ng monomials. So, dito is mag-multiply tayo ng monomials by polynomials. Okay? So, to multiply a monomial by a polynomial, multiply that monomial by every term of the polynomial. So, ibig sabihin, para i-multiply natin si monomial kay polynomial, i-multiply natin yung monomial sa bawat term ng polynomial. Just like this one, we have A multiplied by B plus C. Yung A represents the monomial and B plus C represents the polynomial. So, to multiply, simply i-multiply lang yung A sa bawat term ng polynomial na B plus C. This gives us AB plus AC. Kumbaga, A times B plus A times C. So, yung A minultiply sa B and A minultiply sa C. And this falls under distributive property. Okay? Na kung saan imumultiply mo yung number na nasa labas sa bawat term ng nasa loob ng grouping symbol. So, for example, we have 4 multiplied by x plus 3. So, by applying distributive property, bali ang gagawin po natin, yung 4, imumultiply natin sa x at yung 4, imumultiply natin sa 3. So that we have 4 times x and plus, lagyan natin ng plus, 4 times 3. And then we got this one. So 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, so ayan po yung product ng 4 at saka x plus 3. Okay? Another example po is y multiplied by y squared plus 4. Okay? So, dito, i-apply natin yung law of exponents, specifically product rule to uh, multiply those terms. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po nun, yung y imumultiply natin sa y squared at yung y imumultiply natin sa 4. That is y multiplied by y squared plus y multiplied by 4. Okay? And y times y squared is y cubed. Remember po, no, kapag mag-multiply tayo ng powers ng variable, i-add natin yung exponents provided that na parehas yung base. Okay, kaya y cube po ang sagot. Then plus y times 4, this will become 4y. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun po pag-multiply ng monomial sa polynomials. And magbibigay tayo ng ilan sa mga examples para mas maunawaan natin. So, magsimula tayo dito. No? So, sa number 1, we have a squared multiplied by a plus 3. So, this means yung a squared imumultiply natin sa a at yung a squared din imumultiply natin sa 3. Okay, so, ang ibig sabihin nun, we have a squared multiplied by a plus a squared multiplied by 3. And then, imumultiply natin sila, no? So, a squared times a. So, remember po, ang exponent nito ay 1. Kaya di nasulat, ano po? So, a squared times a to the first, yung exponent niya ay 2 plus 1, which gives us 3. Kaya, a cubed. Okay? And then, plus a squared times 3. So, this is constant and this is the variable. So, pagtabihin muna lang po, no? So, mauna muna yung constant. 3a squared. Okay, so Ito na po yung sagot. A cube multiplied by 3a squared. Ayan. Next, number 2, we have 2y multiplied by 3y minus 4. So, yung 2y, imumultiply natin sa 3y at yung 2y din, imumultiply natin sa 4. Okay? So, this will become 2y multiplied by 3y, no? And then, minus, lagyan natin ng minus, 2y multiplied by 4. Okay? Ayan po. And then, saka natin i-multiply isa-isa. So, 2y times 3y. So, remember po, i-multiply natin yung coefficients nila, no? So, 2 times 3 must be 6. Okay? And then, para naman sa y times y part, no? Y times y, this is y to the first, and so is this one. So, y to the first times y to the first, or y times y, that's equal to y squared. Remember po, yung exponent, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, so the product here is 6y squared. Okay, and then minus 2y times 4. So, i-multiply na lang natin yung constants dito. So, 2 times 4 is equal to 8, then copy y. Kaya ang sagot po dito ay 6y squared minus 8y. Okay? Next, number 3 po. Okay. Next, number 3. We have negative 4 times 3a plus 4b. So, yung negative 4, imumultiply natin sa 3a plus 4b. Okay? So, this one and then this one. Ayan. Tapos, ayan na. Imumultiply natin. Ano po? So, we have negative 4 times 3a. And then, since plus, maglagay tayo ng plus, and then negative 4, so make sure na naka-parenthesis kasi negative number siya, no? So, ilagay natin yung parenthesis around the negative number. So, negative 4 times 4b. Ayan. And then, yun na, saka natin i-multiply isa-isa, no? So, negative 4 times 3, no? I-multiply natin tong constant. So, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12a. So, remember po, negative times positive is negative. Okay? And then, for this one, negative 4 times 4, no? We got negative 16. And since 16 is negative, i-multiply natin sa positive sign. Ito po, negative times positive is negative. So, gagawin natin siyang minus or negative. And then yung product ng 4 tsaka 4b, which is 16, then b. Okay, so bale, ang sagot po dito ay negative 12a minus 16b. Okay? Next, number 4. So, we got 3 terms here, no, dito sa example natin, ano po, or exercises, no? So, yung ano daw, yung xy squared, imumultiply natin sa x squared, sa 3y, at saka sa 4. Tatlo po sila, ano po? So, let's do this. Bale, yung xy squared, imumultiply natin sa tatlong ito. Bale, xy squared ba una? Then minus xy squared multiplied by 3y. And then plus xy squared ulit multiplied by 4. Ayan. And then, saka natin i-multiply isa-isa. Ano po? Okay? Now, i-multiply na lang natin is yung powers of x. We have x times x squared. We have x cubed because ang exponent niya ay 1 plus 2 equals 3. Kaya x cubed po siya, no? Tapos, y squared, kopyahin na lang po natin. Ayan. And then, para naman sa pangalawang multiplication, we got xy squared multiplied by 3y. So, ito lang po ang constant na nandito, which is 3. So, kopyahin na lang natin yung 3. And then, kopya na rin natin yung x. Kasi ang i-multiply lamang is yung powers of y. Okay? So, y squared multiplied by y, which means y to the first power. Kaya, ang product nila ay y cubed. Kaya, y cubed. Okay? 3xy cube po ang product ng pangalawa. And then para naman sa pangatlo, we got xy squared multiplied by 4. So, pagtabihin na lang natin yung constants and variables. So, mauna muna yung constant. So, 4xy squared. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple, no, or kadali sa pagmultiply ng monomial sa polynomial. Ang sagot po dito ay x cubed y squared minus 3xy cubed plus 4xy squared. Okay? Next, number 5, we got 3p squared cubed multiplied by 4pq squared plus 3p to the fourth q to the fourth minus 5. So, remember po, no? Remember, dapat alam niyo kung paano tayo mag-multiply ng monomials. Okay? So, let's multiply this. No? Okay, ayusin nga natin. Ayan, much better. Okay, so ang imumultiply natin is 3p squared q cubed. And then, ito, imumultiply natin sa bawat isa sa kanila. So that we have 3p squared q cubed multiplied by 4, 4pq squared. Ayan po yung unang multiplication. Then, plus, kopyahin ulit to. 3p squared q cubed multiplied by 3p to the fourth q to the fourth, and then finally minus ulit, no, 3p squared q cubed ulit multiplied by 5. Ayan, and then saka natin isa-isahin yung multiplication. Ano po? So let's start with this one. 3p squared q cubed multiplied by this one. So 3 times 4 must be 12. Tapos yung powers ng p naman, p squared times p, no? Ang exponent nito ay 1. So that is p cubed. And then, para sa q naman, q cubed multiplied by q squared, the product must be q to the 5th power. Ayan. Next, plus, ito, imumultiply naman natin para sa second multiplication. So, 3 times 3 muna, guys. No? 3 times 3 is 9. Then, powers of p naman, p squared multiplied by p to the fourth. No? You just add the exponents when you multiply. So, 2 plus 4 is 6. Kaya, p to the 6th power. Tapos, para naman sa q cube multiplied by q to the fourth, 3 plus 4 is 7. So, q to the 7th power. And then minus, para sa pangatlong multiplication, imumultiply na lang natin yung constant. So, we have 3 times 5 equals 15. And then copy those variables. P squared q cube. And there you go. Ito na po yung kasagutan. Okay? 12p cube q to the 5th plus 9p to the 6th q to the 7th minus 15p squared q cubed. Okay? And then we're down to the last one. So we have negative 4vw cubed multiplied by 2 v squared w to the 4th power, tapos minus 4v to the 5th power w squared plus 7v cubed w. So pause this video para mabigyan nyo sarili niyo ng time to find the product, and when you're ready, keep on watching to reveal the answer. So ayan na nga, yung negative 4vw cube, imumultiply natin sa tatlong ito. Ayan. So, alam nyo naman ang gagawin. It's up to you kung paano ninyo imumultiply yung bawat isa. No? So, let's start with negative 4vw cube multiplied by 2 v squared w to the 4th power. By the way, dapat naka-parenthesis na yan kasi isa siyang negative number. Okay? Ayan po. Then minus negative 4vw cube multiplied by 4v to the 5th w squared. So again, naka-parenthesis na siya. So, para maano natin. Para ma-clarify na ito ay negative number. And then plus, negative ulit, negative 4vw cube multiplied by 7v cube w. Ayan. And then we're going to multiply all of this, okay? So to start with, negative 4 times 2, no, which is negative 8. Then powers of v times b squared must be v cubed. Tapos w cube multiplied by w to the 4th must be w to the 7th. Ayan po yung first term ng sagot. Next naman po is, for this one, negative 4 times 4, which is equal to negative 16. However, may nakaabang na negative sign rito. So, imumultiply natin yung negative 16 sa negative sign. So, negative times negative must be positive. So, magiging plus na siya. So, plus 16. Ayan po. And then, para sa variables, we have v times v to the 5th must be equal to v to the 6th power. Ayan. Okay, ayusin natin yung 6. Yan. And then, para naman sa w, no? W cube times w squared. So, 3 plus 2 must be equal to 5. So, w to the 5th. Okay? And then, para naman sa pangatlong term, we have negative 4 times 7 para sa constants. That is equal to negative 28. Ita times mo siya sa positive. So, negative times positive is negative. So, we got negative 28. Tapos, para sa v times v cube. Okay? 1 plus 3 must be equal to 4. And then, para naman sa w cube times w. So, 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay? And there you go. Ito na po yung sagot sa number 6. Okay? So, mag-comment lang po kung nakuha ninyo yung tamang sagot. Okay? So, negative 8 v cubed w to the 7th plus 16 v to the 6th w to the 5th minus 28 v to the 4th w to the 4th. Okay, so that's all for today about multiplication of monomial by a polynomial, and I hope you learned something. So practice lang ng practice hanggang sa makaya ninyo na i-multiply yung ganitong klaseng expressions. Okay, so lagi pong alalahanin na kapag mag-multiply tayo ng powers of variables, na parehas yung base, i-add lamang yung exponents. Okay? And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and follow me also on my TikTok account. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day to all.